Being in Elora is amazing. We have this kind of historic, quaint town, and adjacent to this quaint town is this amazing and beautiful gorge. And I think that's what really makes Elora a very special place.
For cliff rappelling, so it's like a 2 to 3 hour program where I train you to rappel down the cliff. That one, I don't go beside you, I stay up top and I coach you to go over the edge, and I have a backup on top for you, and you learn to rappel down the cliff. Someone comes scared, I'm like, oh good, you're gonna really have a good day. Because we're gonna beat that and you're gonna walk away conquering the fear. I can calmly coach someone over the edge that is terrified, but then once they're over the edge, and I can calm them down and kind of help them get over. And then not only go down, but actually start to enjoy it. This cave you can swing into and get a goal out of it. And that one you'll rappel one at a time. And then you do that multiple times. And it's something that you're going to want to do over and over again to get faster and get better at it.